We got global recognition for the project that we did in Cedar Falls, but even more important than that, I've got to improve my hometown community of Cedar Falls, Iowa. We completely redesigned the main arterial through town and introduced a new concept to Cedar Falls with roundabouts. The challenges that I get to work with at Foth have been truly intriguing to me, but have really opened up a lot of different areas in my career that I never would have dreamed of going down those roads before. One thing I love about my job here at Foth is the amount of different things that I can get involved with in a single week. The challenges and problems that come across my desk are just very interesting and intriguing, and it really keeps me on my toes. And the way it's going right now, it's really exciting to see what the future holds for us within technology.